Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the Cattle Facts Closing Bell. As the drought intensified throughout the South and Southeast this year, attention quickly turned to available U.S. hay supplies. Drought-stricken producers were quick to procure hay as available pasture forage dwindled, traveling as far north as Canada to find suitable forage. The USDA reports a monthly U.S. hay price that's useful in determining national price trends for forage. The 2011 hay price, excluding alfalfa, established a low in February at $95.80 per ton. Prices rallied 35% into the fall, reaching an October high of $129. The October price represents a 34% increase compared to 2010 and a 23% advantage compared to October's previous 5-year average. Hay prices typically reach an August low before reaching highs the following May. During the last 5 years, hay prices have increased an average of 14% during that time. Based on this trend, spring prices have the potential to reach $145 per ton. A variety of scenarios could lead to prices falling short of or even exceeding that price, depending on weather, cow herd inventories, and forage supplies. In areas where winter feeding is prevalent, severe weather could increase hay demand and push prices beyond seasonal expectations. It remains to be seen if the reduction in 2011 cow numbers will offset what will likely be tighter hay supplies this spring. Regional developments also need to be considered. While some areas in the South receive much-needed precipitation this winter, the drought is still a reality in many areas of that region. Drier conditions have also developed in the West and North, potentially altering cow herd and forage inventories going into spring. Regional differences will be prevalent, but U.S. hay prices will likely find support in the upper $120 to low $130 per ton range this spring, and weather-related factors carry the best potential for pushing hay prices beyond $140 per ton. Now, your weekly market update. The fed cattle market was mostly steady to $1 lower this week on a live basis and $5 to $6 lower for dress trade in the north. Moderate trade occurred in the South, with prices ranging from $120 to $121 per hundredweight. In the North, live sales were priced at $121 to $122, and dress sales occurred at $195 to $198 per hundredweight. Feeder cattle values were $2 to $3 higher as compared to the pre-holiday trade, while calf prices added $10 to $15 per hundredweight. Demand was excellent for all weights of replacement cattle following 2 weeks of light holiday offerings, while slaughter cow prices were also firmer this week. Box beef values trended lower as choice middles were priced lower seasonally, and end meats struggled to cover the loss of holiday demand for middle meats, while trade volumes were steady at best. Corn prices moved higher as drier weather in the South America region continued to worry market participants about the potential for yield reductions in that part of the world. Looking forward, increasing fed cattle supplies will continue to pressure market prices, and a weaker beef complex also suggests lower prices next week. Prices for fed cattle will likely be $1 to $2 softer, with trade around $120 per hundredweight in the South. Feeder cattle and calf prices made up for lost ground coming out of the holidays, defying the steady to weaker market fundamentals upstream. Tighter supplies this spring appear to be supporting the market, as buyers are willing to procure calves and feeder cattle early to manage future pasture and feedlot needs. With the strong move in feeder cattle and calf markets this week, Cattle Facts expects prices to be mostly steady for feeder cattle and calves going forward. Sale volumes in the wholesale beef market improved relative to the holidays. Expect better volumes and softer prices next week as sellers will be pressured to keep inventories manageable and buyers will likely be eager to replenish supplies. Choice boxes could trade from $188 to $191 per hundredweight, and select beef will likely sell at $176 to $179. The USDA will release its monthly crop production and quarterly grain stock reports next week. The reports will provide revised estimates on corn yield, harvested acres, and current stocks-to-use levels. While corn prices will likely be steady to softer early in the week, the report presents significant price risk to the market after its Thursday release. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit cattlefacts.com for your latest market news and analysis.